Welcome to Metalform EDU, a comprehensive online training system specifically designed for the metal forming industry. Developed by the Precision Metal Forming Association, Metalform EDU provides your company with professional and technical skills-based courses, including metal forming specific courses not offered anywhere else. PMA and industry subject matter experts created Metalform EDU to help you grow and upskill your workforce. These online training courses will accelerate onboarding and reduce your experienced employees' time off the floor doing basic training. Investing in employee training increases productivity, reduces scrap and rework, and improves employee attraction, engagement, and retention. Videos, interactive activities, and exercises engage and focus employees throughout each course. Employees can review the study guide provided and take the assessment to measure and track their progress. With immediate assessment results, employees know what scores they achieved. Supervisors, chosen by the company to have access, can view all employees' progress and results in their team's dashboard. Metalform EDU is an investment in your greatest asset, your employees. The course catalog includes subject matters ranging from math and communication to industry-specific training for press operations, die setting, metal spinning, and more. Metalform EDU enables you to enhance your current training program through interactive, modern online courses. Metalform EDU from PMA is affordable, customizable, world-class training for your company. With an ever-growing library and PMA-developed courses created to align with the NIM skills standards, your employees receive the training and knowledge necessary for success in their current roles while developing skills for the future. Overcome the manufacturing skills gap by enhancing your training program with Metalform EDU. Training anytime, anywhere.